In this video, I'll show you how to create a quiz in WordPress for free. Let's get straight into it. For example, I'll show you how to create a quiz like this, and we can insert this quiz on any of our pages or even in our sidebar or even in a pop-up format. So let's just hit start quiz. Okay, and we'll go ahead and select the answer. Okay, and this is the results page. So here it's saying that we got 0 out of 4, and I've just added this custom results page here. We've added a heading, an image, and some optional text. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WordPress site, I'll leave a link in the description below to the particular plugin I'm using. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. All right, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and navigate over to plugins and then add new. And we want to install the QuizCat plugin. So we can just search for quiz. All right, so I did test out this quiz maker plugin. It does offer you more features than this particular plugin, but in my experience, this one's more simpler and makes more sense. But if you want features such as a countdown timer, then you might want to check out this particular plugin because it gives you that option for free. Whereas in this plugin here, you'll have to upgrade to the pro version to get features like the countdown timer. But we're just going to use this one for its simplicity. So we just install and activate it. I've already got it activated. So let's go ahead and create our quiz. So we'll navigate over to QuizCat and then we can just click add new. And since we're using a free version, we can only create a multi-choice quiz. If you upgrade to the pro version, you can create a personality type or a weighted answer type quiz. All right, so let's select multi-choice here. Okay, and then this is the welcome screen that the users will see before they take the quiz. Okay, and we'll just add an image as well. Okay, and this looks good. So let's navigate over to questions and we can go ahead and create our questions. We'll enter in the correct answer here and then we'll add a few incorrect answers. Okay, and then we'll just click the X icon and then we can go ahead and add as many questions as we want. For this question, I'm going to add an image. As the participant goes through your quiz, you can show them the right answer as they scroll through it, okay? But if you wanted to display the answers at the end, then you want to enable this option so they'll only see the answers once they've completed the quiz. Now let's configure our survey page. By default, it will show this result to all participants since here, as you can see, the point system is from 0 to 4. So for each answer that a participant gets correct, they're awarded 1 point, right? So the maximum they can get is 4 points. If you wanted to show different results based on the points, you can go ahead and click add results here, and then we can just give it a name. So we can say test 2. And let's X this off. And as you can see, it's splitting it equally, right? So if we add another one, let's say test 3. Okay, here it's saying 0 to 1 and then 2 to 3. All right, and then we can do it once more. And then here it's 0 to 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 4. All right. So based on the participant's score, you can show them a custom result. Instead of saying Grumpy Cat, we can name it appropriately. We can add some description here. And if you're familiar with HTML, we can switch to the HTML form and we can enter in our HTML code here. We can also add an image as well. And then you just go through and customize each result. We can rearrange it as well. Okay, and let's hit save and preview. Okay, so this is our quiz, so it looks fine. So let's go ahead and insert this quiz onto a page. So let's head back over here. Let's navigate to where it says setup, and then we can copy this quiz ID. And now we'll create a new page. So we can use the QuizCat Gutenberg block, or we can use the shortcode, which we've just copied. So if we paste the shortcode here, then this will display our quiz. So this is useful if you want to display the quiz in a pop-up, or if you want to display in a sidebar, you can do so. Alternatively, if we hit slash and then just type quiz, here we can see the QuizCat block, all right? Okay, and then from this sidebar area here, we can select the quiz that we've created on our site, all right? And here it's automatically inserted it for us. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a title and let's go ahead and publish this. All right, so let's quickly go through our quiz. Okay, and this is the results page. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave in the comment box.